Hi guys, it's ArchieLuxury. ArchieLuxury, and today, guys, I've taken the tin can, the aeroplane, to Hong Kong, and the reason I did this was because I had a chance to see the new Rolex, the new Rolex two-tone Sea Dweller. Now, this piece, I've got to tell you, I was just absolutely mesmerized when I actually tried it on myself. This piece is, pictures do not do justice to this piece. It is absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. And I've got to tell you, in all honesty, if I was looking for a classy diver and I wanted something with a precious metal, I would jump at the chance to get a two-tone deep sea. This is probably the most exciting release for Rolex in Baselworld 2019. And I've got to tell you, I'm very, very lucky. I'm in a secret Hong Kong location looking at this spectacular watch. What watch are we talking about? We're talking about the Rolex Sea Dweller in two-tone Rolesor steel and yellow gold. This is reference 126603. This Sea Dweller itself, the 126603, remains 43 mil. It's got the tapered bracelet. It's got a beautiful accent of yellow gold. Now, this piece is also featuring the new updated 3235 movement. This is a watch, if you want to take gold to a depth of 4,000 feet, this is the watch for you. Now, I've got to tell you, this watch, it is absolutely stunning on the wrist. And when I compared it to the standard Sea Dweller, it actually felt more hefty and larger, even though this is probably a visual cue from the two-tone itself there. Now, this piece itself, it's featuring, as I mentioned, the 3235 movement, which offers enhanced protection against magnetic interference. It's got the parachrome hairspring, and it offers a power reserve of 70 hours. This piece here has got all the right boxes ticked, but the real beauty of this piece here is when you see it in the flesh. It's the beautiful ceramic bezel. The way the gold is done in the bezel is amazing. This new piece here, never worn before I put it on my wrist, is just stunning. Absolutely stunning. The retail price for this watch here is a little over 16,000 US dollars. I've gotta be honest with you there. If I didn't already have my bluesy, I would love to have this magnificent piece. Unfortunately, I'm not the only person to love this wristwatch. In fact, you won't be able to go to your local Rolex stockist and obtain this piece. The thing I love about this watch is the solid gold center links and the ceramic bezel with the beautiful gold outer. Thick, heavy duty, and just scrumptious. Now, this watch here joins Rolex's serious diving division. The original Rolex Sea Dweller came out in 1967, and the Deep Sea came out in 2008. So I've got to tell you, the other important date was 2014 when they released the commemorative James Cameron version. That's with the blue starburst type dial. I got to be honest with you, if I had a choice of a serious diver, I'd have to go two-tone. Yes, I love the James Cameron. I love the steel Sea Dweller. But for me, I think nothing is more elegant than this two-tone beauty. I think this watch here will be very popular in the Rolex lineup. And it really pleases me that Rolex is again making yellow gold the choice for people who want the strength of steel with the beauty of yellow gold. I could think of no more beautiful watch to possess and to own. This is a gorgeous piece for the serious diving enthusiast and horological collector. This watch here itself, unfortunately, will be very, very hard to get. And that's why I jumped on a jet plane to take a look at this stunning piece. I'm Paul Pluta. This has been a special exclusive for the Paul Pluta channel. Like, subscribe, tell your fuckhead non-Rolex diver wearing friends and Rolex wearing friends. And don't forget to put a few nasty comments down below.
You certainly need a lot of paraphernalia in your trade.
Yeah, cymbals, chimp, bongo, tambourine.
What are these things?
These are claves.
What are they for?
Not a rhythm of the Latin American stuff. Here, let me show you.
See? Very simple. Very simple. Tied the ends of the guitar strings with clavage used for Latin American rhythm. And then he approached his victims from the rear, looped the wire over their heads, and... Ooh, how terrible. Very clever. As we jazz lovers say, this was seen as murder.